don't get so many things in our life. You know why? Because we have this resistant mindset in our life. We are resistant to change. So let's say you wanted a career and you actually prayed for it, but that dream job didn't happen to be in your city. It was in some other city. So you went through that resistant mode, kept saying to yourself, oh, I'm going to stay in another city. I'm going to arrange the PG. I'm going to get a flat on rent. और इस तरीके से आपने एक डाउट क्रिएट कर लिया, तो वो पाथ तो आपने क्लोज कर दिया। फिर आपने कोई छोटी मोटी जॉब ले ली और अब आप अपने आप को कोस रहे हैं कि अरे ये कैसी जॉब है। फिर धीरे धीरे आप अपने आप को नहीं कोसते, फिर आप भगवान को कोसते हैं। ये कहते हैं कि अरे भगवान जी, आपने तो मुझे ना कोई अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं दी। अब इतने सारे आपने बॉक्सेस रखे हुए हैं अपनी लाइफ में, मुझे ये नहीं करना है। These boxes that you're taking off, how I should not go from this place to this place. So you want to go on a journey, but on that journey, you've kept these boxes saying, I'll not do this, I'll not do that. And that is why life is looking like this for you. You kept saying no to good people in your life, so now you don't have a good partner. Then you kept saying no to a good career, so now you don't have a good career. Then you kept saying no to exercise and no to home cooked meals, and now you don't have your health. And इसी तरीके से हम लाइफ में नो बहुत बोलते हैं, लेकिन एक्चुअली टॉक्सिक लोगों को नो नहीं बोलते हैं। अपनी खुद की लाइफ में जो इम्प्रूवमेंट होना था, उन चीजों को नो बोलते हैं। क्यों बोलते हैं? क्योंकि हमें ना एक रेजिस्टेंट माइंडसेट है हमारे अंदर, एंड वी आर रेजिस्टेंट टुवर्ड्स चेंज। वी डोंट वांट टू चेंज, वी डोंट वांट टू बज, वी डोंट वांट टू improve our life by making an effort. Without effort, you cannot get anything in this life. You can pray a lot, you can try all of these manifestation techniques that people teach you, but it's not going to happen. You know why? Because you're not moving yourself. You have to move with the energy that's coming your way, but you don't want to move. You want to sit in one place and then you want to complain that why my life is not moving. Your life is not moving because you are not moving with it.